We're going to be reviewing the 110cc 2016 Tao TAO dirt bike. So let me show you everything on it. So first, on this side, the right side, there's a kickstarter, there's a foot peg, and back brakes. There's also the throttle and the front brakes as well too. On the other side, there's the other foot peg and gear shifter, and the kickstand. Well, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna go get my helmet on, and we'll see you on the trail. Okay, so right now we're riding around here, and we're just cruising around. We're just having fun. We're not trying to do anything like scary or risky. I just cruising. Well, so let's go. Let me just ride down the canal right here. Go a little faster. Go. Watch out. Let's go here. More bumps again. Watch out. No. Got it. I gotta be careful here. Oh no, it's not bad. Yeah. So, this is my review of the Tao TAO 110cc dirt bike. It was a good dirt bike. It's good for the price, and we'll see you next time.